Yeah. Back once again, Trey, with another Fish Out of Water request reaction. Budgie, I turned to stone. Let's get to it. That sounds familiar.
I was born yesterday. Trouble seems so far away. Now it seems my friends no longer call. Everything was better then. I can still remember when. So the future with a certain glow.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Too far. Too far. Too far. Mean. Do you hear that? Do you hear those drums? Do you hear it open up the gates? Pearly Heaven, heavy calisthenics, Terry Crews, Jackie Chan, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Dwayne The Rock. Man, listen, he killing those drums. Check on him, give him CPR, do something for him. Please, help him. Help him. That's just incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible music. Like, incredible music. Elite levels. It's a different level. You can't do that. Like, most people can't do that. They can't do what they just done. But they bringing more. They giving me more. Hold up, man. Hold up. I don't even want to be here too long, but why is he doing that? Why is he doing that? Yeah. Why is he doing that? One more time. It's like, I know it's impossible, but if y'all could send me 20 songs of that, I would be in heaven for the rest of my life. I will be in heaven for the rest of my days. That's just, it's, what you want me to say? I love this. When I find stuff like this, it's just like, it's giving me, you know, when Mario eat the mushroom and he grows bigger, that's what a song like that does. It makes me feel good. Like there's hope. There's hope in this world. Just because that's beautiful. That's just beautiful. It's gonna be hard for me to hear another song from them after hearing that. I like that though. I do enjoy stuff like that. When your song is so good, it's gonna mess up the rest of your catalog. Just because I didn't heard it out of order. I don't even know what song, what album this off of, but this was super duper cold. Like, next level cold, nasty.